Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say I found a pretty good find. Check this out. An old car. There's more cars. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Real metal. Imagine that. Better than these newer cars. It's just made out of plastic. Okay, alright. One more last thing I want to show you guys is alright. Check out this. Why hasn't anything grown up under there? Alright. No. Dude, this is creepy. No. Return. Oh yeah, that's creepy. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna end that video there. Those cars, there's something about them okay, vibe, man. I got a weird vibe. Take one last look. Let me know in the comments if you see anything. Alright, I don't see anything with my own eyes. I don't see anything on the camera. I just have a weird vibe. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Or video. Doesn't matter.